Do you need to do anything to your insurance policy when you pay that car off? Are there any changes that you need to make? Do you need to notify your agent? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Hi, my name is Stephen Turnbull with T5 Insurance. We're a local independent insurance agency based out of Clinton, New York, serving clients across the great state of New York. And today we want to talk about, do you need to make any changes to your policies, specifically your auto policies, when you pay your vehicles off? We get this call all the time. People pay their vehicles off, want to remove coverages, sometimes talk about removing the physical damage side of coverage. When you pay your vehicle off, you just need to notify us to take that bank off as a lien holder on that vehicle. Now, it's per situation whether you want to take any coverage off. We don't recommend with newer vehicles removing physical damage coverage. The collision portion on that policy gives you coverage for that. Exactly. If you collide with something collides for you. The comp is also another form of physical damage coverage as well that's not collision related, but it's up to you, the client, when you're looking at that. If you have a 2020 vehicle that's only 5 years old at the time of recording this video, I would suggest not removing collision coverage because the vehicle is still worth some value. So you want to check, what does your vehicle worth? If something happens to that, are you able to pay for that out of pocket? Are you willing to do that? How much does the collision on your insurance policy cost? And does that outweigh the risk of potentially having to replace that vehicle, fix that vehicle, whatever it might be? The last point I want to make in this is keep in mind with the inflation that we've had over the last 3 years, there has been no such thing as a $500 fender bender anymore. No such thing. I'll call it a $5,000 fender bender. So keep that in mind when you're looking at getting rid of physical damage coverage, when you're looking at reducing the coverages that you have that would call on your insurance policy of how much am I willing to pay out of pocket? How much can I afford to pay out of pocket? And then backing that into your decision when you're talking with your independent agent at the time of potentially removing a bank or lien holder and modifying any coverage from there. My name's Stephen Turnbull with T5 Insurance. What we do very well is sit down with our clients and customize an insurance plan. If we can do anything to help you, please let us know. Stephen Turnbull here with T5 Insurance, where we understand, educate, and protect. Take care.